Hello guys, welcome to Big Faction official YouTube channel. In today's video we will learn about Meesho price recommendation, product recommendation. First thing, log into your Meesho seller panel, then scroll down and click on price recommendations. Here Meesho will show you price suggestions comparing to your competitors. If you want you can apply the price, else you can continue as it is. Proceeding to next, scroll down from left side and click on product recommendations. Here it will show you the products recommended by Meesho for your category. You can check products, and if you like it then you can shortlist this products. And you can upload it in your listings. In product recommendations you can find trending products, popular products, and products which are outside the Meesho and top selling product. Also you can download the recommended product listing. The primary objective of creating product recommendation is to help others know the latest, in-demand, fast-selling products, current trends so that they can gain more orders from their customers. So here we are ending our today's video. Hope you liked our video. Happy learning. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.